In this video we will learn how to write our first Dart program. Let's start. First of all, we create a Dart file. Name this hello world, hello world dot. File must be in .dart format. Now start to write a program. We write a program inside a main function void main. After that we start to write. First of all we print hello old WRL the old. Now we run this. Here this is the output. Similarly, in another way we can also print std out dot writ write. This is another way. If we use std.out, we need to import .io file. Now we print here this is the another way. We can also print the mathematical expression directly. Print 3 into 5. Here is the output. Can directly be. Now can change it. 15. We can also other expression. 2 plus 4. Can run this. Here is the 6 output. We try some other way. Var name equal to hurry is a string. Hurry. Can print this. Print my name is $name. This print my name is Hari is output. Let's run. Here my name is Hari. This is the simple way to print your first program in Dart programming language. Thank you.